A Broadway musical based on the Oscar-winning Irish film Once has been nominated for no less than 11 Tony Awards. It's the highest number of nominations received by any production this year. The Tonys are the highest honour that a Broadway musical can be awarded.
That's fine.
It was the low-budget film that defied the odds, winning international acclaim and Oscar glory.
I don't know you, but I want you.
Now Once has done it again, with the Broadway adaptation of the musical nominated for 11 Tony Awards. Its main stars Kazee and Cristin Milioti have been nominated for their performances. Among the other awards it's now in with a chance of claiming are Best Musical, Best Direction, Sound and Lighting. Speaking from New York, the star of the original Once film, Glenn Hansard, told RTE News that he was happy and proud of the cast and crew for doing such a great job. He said they've taken Once forward and it's theirs now. Despite getting off to a difficult start, another Irish-linked musical is also in the running for a Tony. Spider-Man Turn Off the Dark, written by Bono and The Edge, got 2 nominations. Both were in technical categories. But with more nominations than any other musical this year, all eyes, especially Irish ones, will be on Once when the Tony Awards take place on June the 10th. Samantha Librari, RTE News.